Hello guys, in this video we are discussing a fact that why taller objects which have narrow bottom has a higher tendency to topple. To demonstrate this fact, let us take two bodies. This is object number 1 which has a height of 4a and base of a. Now this is placed on a rough surface which has enough friction which would avoid any slipping or which would prevent any slipping. So mg would be acting in the downward direction, applied force would be acting in the forward direction, and friction would be acting in the reverse direction. Now for the another body which is the same object which is placed in such a way such that its base has a length of 4a and it has a height of a. Now we are applying the same force F on the top of this body. Now we know that to prevent any sliding or any toppling, in fact, the normal reaction will shift in the direction of F. So F is being applied in the direction which is towards right side. So the normal reaction would shift towards the right side, and the maximum distance by which this normal reaction can shift to prevent any toppling is a by 2. You can see that there is a small margin for normal reaction to shift, and that margin is a by 2, this distance. So if I calculate the value of F, which is just sufficient to topple this block, then I am balancing the torque at point E. So torque at point E is 0 for case 1. So this is case 1 and this is case 2. So if I balance the torque about point E, then torque of F is F into 4A, and torque of normal reaction and friction is 0 because they are passing through this point only, and the torque of F is in the clockwise sense while the torque of mg is in the anti-clockwise sense. So the torque of mg would be mg into a by 2, which is this distance. So the torque would be minus mg into a by 2, and the net torque would be 0. So this is F, 4F will be equal to mg by 2, and therefore F will be equal to mg by 8. So this is the minimum force, or this is the minimum force which is required to topple this block. So if F is greater than mg by 8, the block topples. Now for case 2, you can see that if I balance the torque about this point E, then torque would be F into distance A. Now the distance of F from point E is A, and the torque of friction and the normal reaction would be 0 because normal reaction would be acting like that and friction would be acting like that. So the torque of normal reaction and friction would be 0. Now mg would be acting from the center in the downward direction, and the torque of mg would be minus mg into this distance, which is 2a. So 2a. So it is equal to 0. So F in this case is equal to 2 mg. So this is the minimum force required to topple this block in the second case. So if F is greater than 2 mg, then block topples. So you can see that if we compare both of these two cases, then the minimum force required to topple this block is greater than 2 mg, and it is 16 times of the force required to topple in the first case, which means that it is very tough for this force to topple this block, and it is very easier for this force to topple this block in this case. This is due to the fact that due to the larger height of this block, the torque of the same force F is greater about point E. because force into this distance is equal to the torque. So the torque in this case is 4 times, because this torque is F into 4A and this torque is F into A. Now the other fact is also applicable in this case, that the normal reaction, which is playing the role of preventing any toppling, so the margin to shift in this case is A by 2. So the normal reaction can shift only by a distance of A by 2 to prevent any toppling. But in this case, normal reaction can shift by a distance of 2A to prevent any toppling. So there is a sufficient amount of margin in the second case for the normal reaction to prevent any toppling, because the base area of this block in the second case is larger. So we can say that due to the higher height and lower contact area, the block 1 has a greater tendency of toppling. So we can say that the taller objects which has the narrow bottom has higher tendency to topple. Thank you.